On behalf of St. Teresa School, we are the hosts for this event today. I am Ms. Anisha. I am Ms. Dishita. We extend a very warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you watching this video today. Is it a beautiful day? Yes, as we all are now going to celebrate the Festival of Light. Can you guess the name? Yes, it's Deepavali Festival. Only the name is enough to bring the smile on each one's face. With happiness to all and sorrow to none, the Festival of Lights, Deepavali has come. The streets shine with candle lights, festive lamps to all delight. Children are out with crackers in hands, fireworks like musical bands. Elders exchange gifts and sweets, to love each one to other greets. Triumphs of God over evil it shows, Diwali the festival everyone knows. Now we call upon Sonakshi to begin with this celebration. Now we call upon our society representatives for lamp lighting. Hello dear friends, are you enjoying this celebration? पल पल सुनहरे फूल खिले, कांटों से ना हो कभी सामना, जिंदगी आपकी खुशियों से भरी रहे, दिवाली पर हमारी यही शुभकामना। Now with this kit, let us learn the values we get from Diwali.
One day a disciple went to his master and told him, "There is so much sorrow and so many troubles in the world. Master, is there a way to end these sorrows or trouble? Please enlighten me, Master." "Dear child," the master said, "I am enlightening you. Now go and spread your light to the world, and these sorrows and troubles may end." So the disciple starts his way to enlighten the world. He sees one child sleeping and realizes that getting up early in the morning is the most important part towards a healthy life. So he enlightens the child.
Diwali usually starts with Brahma Muhurta. This early wake-up is considered to be the first step to a disciplined life and is symbolic of mental and spiritual awakening.
After enlightening the girl child, the disciple moves towards the temple and sees a child sitting in front of God. He sees the child is sitting in his own world and is not at all attentive towards God. So the disciple decides to enlighten the child.
Divinity is the source of happiness. A lamp cannot burn without oil. Similarly, a man cannot live without God. Lighting earthen lamps in Diwali is a symbolic representation of knowledge to drive away the darkness.
The disciple now moves to another place and sees the child is disrespecting her parents.
Lavinya, please come and help me. I have lot of work to do. No, Mama, I will not come. Lavinya, come. Don't eat my head, Mama. Lavinya, come and help me. No, Mama. Lavinya, why you are not listening to your mother? Go, help her. Why don't you let me play the game?
He then decides to enlighten the child.
Hey, Mom and Dad. I'm sorry for this behavior. I will not disrespect you from now. Please forgive me. It's okay, beta. Please have this sweets from my hand. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, beta. Happy Diwali.
Diwali is the time for family get-together. It signifies the importance of brotherhood and the joy of togetherness.
On his path towards enlightening the world, the disciple sees a child excited with Diwali gifts he received but is unaware of the sorrows around him.
Yeah, I got so many gifts in this Diwali. Now I will play.
And so the disciple decides to enlighten the child.
very purpose of celebrating festivals is to make people around us happy. For true happiness comes from little acts of kindness. Enlightening the lives of students on this divine occasion of Diwali, we the torch bearers wish to share our light with our students to further spread the radiance of knowledge and eradicate the darkness and create a beautiful illuminated world. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.
Students, did you get the actual values of Diwali? Now, I feel extremely glad to introduce our honorable guest, Mr. Vijay Shantilal Pawar, an education officer, Zilla Parishad, Jalgaon. He is serving as a progress officer in Army Group. It's such a privilege to have you, sir, with us today. I request you, sir, to enlighten our audience with your precious thoughts.
नमस्कार, मी विजय शांतीलाल पवार, शिक्षण विस्तार अधिकारी, जिल्हा परिषद जळगाव. सेंट टेरेसा स्कूलच्या आदरणीय प्राचार्य, आदरणीय पालकवर्ग आणि माझ्या लाडक्या विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनी मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, दिवाळी आहे खास तिच्यात लक्ष्मीचा निवास. दिवाळी आहे खास तिच्यात लक्ष्मीचा निवास. फराळाचा सुगंधी वास, दिव्यांची आरास. फराळाचा सुगंधी वास, दिव्यांची आरास. मनाचा वाढवी उल्हास. दिवाळीच्या शुभेच्छा तुमच्यासाठी खास, तुमच्यासाठी खास. मित्रांनो, दिवाळी हा हिंदू धर्माचा एक प्रमुख सण आहे. भारतासह संपूर्ण जगामध्ये प्रकाशाचा उत्सव म्हणून दिवाळी साजरी केली जाते. वसुबारस, नरक चतुर्दशी, बलिप्रतिपदा, लक्ष्मीपूजन, भाऊबीज अशा विविध नात्याच्या आणि प्रेमाच्या रंगाने रंगलेली ही दिवाळी आपण सर्व विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनी मित्रमैत्रिणींनी आनंदाने साजरी करावी. दिवाळी साजरी करताना आपण कोरोनाची सुद्धा काळजी घ्यावी. त्यासोबतच कमीत कमी फटाके वाजवून ही दिवाळी प्रदूषणमुक्त आणि आणखी आनंदही आपल्याला साजरी करता येईल अशा पद्धतीने आपण स्वतः आणि आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना सुद्धा सांगावे. Wishing you all happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
I hope students are able to seek little guidance and imbibe something from your thoughts. Thank you, sir.
Dance is a joy of movement and the heart of life. Now let us enjoy the mesmerizing dance.
नंदन करता छाई धरा बड़ी नारी, 70 आंखों झांकी दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जगमगाएंगे जग में। जितने अंधेरे भी हैं हम मिटाएंगे जग में। हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जग में।
Did you like the decoration of diyas? Now let us call upon our tiny tots for their performance.
पे आया स्वर्ग उतर कर ऐसा ये त्योहार, दिवाली रोशनी वाली ये सब त्योहार की रानी। दिवाली रोशनी वाली वो सब त्योहार की रानी। धरती पे आया स्वर्ग उतर कर ऐसा ये त्योहार, धरती पे आया स्वर्ग उतर कर, ऐसा ये त्योहार दिवाली रोशनी वाली, वो सब त्योहार की रानी। दिवाली रोशनी वाली, ये सब त्योहार की रानी।
I, Dishita, and I, Balaji, on behalf of St. Teresa School, extend our most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this event the resounding success. With the blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it should be. I would also like to thank the people who work behind the scene to make this event happen. Of course, our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid support. May the lamps of Diwali brighten your life and Rangoli add hues to your life. Have a happy Diwali. Thank you.
Ooh.